How to become a Temu product tester from home. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking to test or review products for Temu, here is a step-by-step guide to become a Temu product tester. To participate, you need to create an account on Temu website or app firstly. Ensure that you provide accurate information as this will help the platform match you with relevant testing opportunities. Once your account is set up, look for the Product Tester Program section. Temu often posts announcements about openings for new testers. Fill out any necessary application forms, which may include questions about your shopping habits and preferences. After applying, stay active on the platform. Engage with community, participate in discussions, and keep an open eye announcement. Your involvement may increase your chances of being selected for testing opportunities. If selected, you will receive notifications regarding the products you will be testing. Depending on the program structure, you may receive items for free or at discounted rate. After testing the product, share your honest feedback through surveys, reviews, or community discussions. Your insights are crucial for Temu's product improvement efforts. You can also benefit for trying for Temu testers, as testers often receive exclusive access to new products that are not yet available to general public, allowing them to experience cutting-edge items before anyone else. It also helps in building influence, increases connection in the community, and also get incentives and rewards. So, this is how you can become a Temu product tester from home. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.